How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'll share with you how to cook turkey from frozen to make fried turkey wings. So, if you're looking for a Christmas turkey wings recipe, you are in the right place. All you need to do is to follow this recipe and you will get a delicious outcome. The first thing to do is I'll put my already cut frozen turkey into the pot, and now I'll proceed to make onion paste. To make onions paste, I'll add my onions into my blender, I'll add some water, and then I'll proceed to blend till I get a smooth paste. The reason why I like to use onions paste for this recipe is because it intensifies the flavor and it also makes the turkey stock more concentrated. Keep watching this video if you don't know what turkey stock is, because I will show you as I continue. I'd like to also show you what the onions paste looks like. This is it, and I'll pour this onion paste into my pot of frozen turkey. After adding this onion paste, I'll add the other ingredients like 2 bay leaves and 1 tablespoon of salt. I'll also add 2 seasoning cubes, 1 tablespoon of dry thyme, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. After this, I'll proceed to rinse out the bowl of onion paste into the pot, and then I'll add 1.5 cups of water to cook the turkey. After adding the water, I'll mix everything very well to ensure that all the ingredients are properly mixed with the water so that my turkey comes out tasting delicious and nice. And then I'll cover the pot and cook for 15 minutes on high heat. While I cook, I like to say this: you can like this video and you can also subscribe to this channel. You can also click on the bell button so that you can get notified every single time I post new videos regarding Nigerian foods and how to prepare them. After 15 minutes on high heat, my turkey is well cooked and it is time for the next step. The next step is to take out the turkey. Now, the liquid you see in the pot is what I call turkey stock. And one of the major benefits of having or saving turkey stock is it is used to amplify the taste of any meal. It simply adds another level of deliciousness to any meal when it is added to it. And I added this turkey stock to a particular soup, which you will see at the end of the video. After removing the turkey, I'll set the turkey stock aside to be used much later, and it is time for frying. Into my frying pan, I'll add enough cooking oil, and then I'll allow the oil to get hot for about 4 minutes on high heat. After 4 minutes, I'll place the boiled turkey in the hot oil. I like to arrange my boiled turkey in the oil because I just want to make sure that my frying pan fries as many turkey as possible. That is just me. I like to manage my cooking time because, we all have a lot to do. Now, after arranging my boiled turkey in the hot oil, I would allow this fry for 15 minutes. So here is how I calculate the 15 minutes. On one side, I'll fry the turkey for 7 to 8 minutes, and on the other side, when the turkey turns brown at the edges, just as you can see in the video, I'll turn it around and I'll fry the other side for 7 minutes on medium heat. I'll do this, and as soon as I turn the turkey and the other side is also fried, I'll simply take the turkey out of the cooking oil, and then I'll put it in my basket or in my kitchen towel to drain off excess oil. Take a look at how delicious this turkey already looks. This turkey is already ready to be enjoyed and eaten because it is properly cooked. And this is the simple way on how to make Nigerian turkey wings. Now, after frying the other side for 7 minutes on medium heat, it's time to take the turkey out of the cooking oil, and that is exactly what you can see in the video. I'm removing the fried turkey from the cooking oil so that I can use it to cook my other dishes or sauces. Yes, and I said I was going to show you the sauce I used this fried turkey to cook. Yes, and while I continue, if you are yet to like this video, Do well to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Another thing about fried turkey like this is it can be easily stored. So I'll proceed to store some of my fried turkey in my fridge because yes, I'd like to use it for other meals and other dishes. But then another thing about fried turkey is this is a favorite Nigerian protein, especially for Christmas celebrations and New Year celebrations. So I use my fried turkey to make turkey stew. Don't forget to like this video and follow me for more recipes. Bye.